Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe in the bar below where the little bell is. I really appreciate your support. So today's video is going to be talking about table salt versus pink Himalayan salt. Why do we need salt in our diets? Because they are our #1 electrolytes for a ketogenic diet. Because we're not getting our electrolytes from our eating. We're not getting electrolytes from our food. So we must be getting electrolytes from our salt. So I'm going to be telling you about common table salt and versus pink Himalayan salt and the differences between each and every one of them. Here are a few reasons why I believe it's the most important that you consume while on the ketogenic way of eating. And what are some of your must-haves when you're getting your grocery list? Common table salt is a process that involves a recrystallization at over 12,000 Fahrenheit. It's also 97.5% sodium chloride and 2.5% additives. It includes anti-caking compounds as well, and it's depleted of all natural minerals. Likely conditions iodine and or is fluorinated, particularly in non-US countries. So that is why we don't want to really be having common table salt, that we want to be using pink Himalayan salt because of so many benefits that it has, and I'm going to be sharing with you these benefits. You can buy pink Himalayan salt pretty much everywhere, at your grocery store, at any other stores such as the Reject Shop in Australia, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, home goods stores, Aldi's sell them, Food Line, Walmart, etc., etc. Wherever your country is, you can pick up Himalayan salt. It's not so expensive, and you also can add it into your foods as well, your salads, your veggies that you do, any vegetable casseroles that you might do. So you might be making the cheesy cauliflower bake, which I have a recipe for in my Facebook group. Go to My Keto Journey on Facebook and join our group. We would love to have you. We have lots of tips, recipes, and meal plans that come out every single Friday. But Himalayan salt is pretty much what we use on a ketogenic diet so that we can get things going. And so we're not going to be feeling fatigued or have migraines or having that nasty keto flu, which is what we can fix by having this pink Himalayan salt. So here are some of the essential facts and the great benefits of having Himalayan salt in your food and your drinks. It contains 84 essential minerals required by the human body. It also has 85 sodium chloride and 15% trace minerals. A good source of magnesium as well, in which is 80% of all individuals are deficient in magnesium. And magnesium is what we need to be having for supplements or either in our food during doing a keto lifestyle. And it promotes a healthy pH balance of our cells by having pink Himalayan salt, and it helps regulate our blood sugars as well. If you are a type 1, type 2, or insulin resistance and you're having problems with managing your blood sugars, put some Himalayan salt in water, mix it with lemon juice and lime juice, or you can add turmeric or cumin in your water and make a mix like a elixir and put your pink Himalayan salt in that. So it also helps your body's sleep cycle as well. If you're suffering with insomnia or if you have some kind of sleep disorder as well, you can also put a spoonful of pink Himalayan salt in a glass of water before you go to bed, and that is going to really help with your sleep. So there's so many benefits of having Himalayan salt compared to just ordinary everyday table salt. Also, all everyday table salt, the white kind, it can also bloat us up. It can cause fluid retention. It can cause us to bloat, inflammation, and they're the things that we want to stay away from. So we definitely, when we're out at the store and you're doing your first grocery shop for your ketogenic lifestyle, look for pink Himalayan salt and add it, like I said, to all meals, to your electrolytes every single day, and you will notice that that keto flu, that tiredness, that lethargic feeling, it will go away mostly up to about a week. So definitely much better benefits to having normal everyday white salt, which we keep for our cooking. So seasoning with it, and the grains are a lot bigger as well, so you may taste it, but it is good for you. It is good for you to have on a ketogenic lifestyle. That is the number one thing that you need to get before you start and keep in the house. Also, make sure that if you are pregnant, if you have got kids and they're doing keto as well, because keto is for kids as well, make sure that you take your salt to work or to school. Have a little packet of it in your lunchbox, and you will just start seeing the benefits, the benefits of pink Himalayan salt. So if you have any questions about pink Himalayan salt, please comment in the comments below, and I will answer your questions as soon as I can. And also, like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe in the button below, which is the bell below, and I appreciate all your support. Please like my videos. I am new to this, and I'm excited to see how my journey is going to go on YouTube. I have been documenting my journey so far on Facebook, on a Facebook group that I have, My Keto Journey. I have been almost doing this Facebook group that I've had for a year now. So there's a lot of information, a lot of tips, a lot of recipes, and a lot of support, a lot of encouragement, a lot of people going through their different journeys with different diseases and fighting diseases through the ketogenic lifestyle. Ketogenic lifestyle is also healing them from these diseases, and it's doing wonderful, wonderful, wonderful things. So please, if you do have a Facebook page, I suggest that you go ahead and you join my group, and feel free to post or comment on your journey. We would love to hear where exactly you are in your journey. Remember, never compare your journey to someone else's, because we're all different. We all have different DNA. We all different body types, and we all suffer maybe from some diseases, from insulin resistance, diabetes, type 1 or 2. But just remember that we are better today than we were yesterday, and I'm so proud of you all. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care and keto on. Bye.